Civil engineering. Whether at dawn or midday, the shadow of the Tanjore Brihadishwara temple never touches the soil. Without any technological aid, stones weighing tons were carried to a height of 300 feet. The main Vimanam of the temple is about 200 feet. The Nandi statue of the temple was carved out of one single stone. The temple was constructed with hundreds of secret passages to help the royal family dodge any rival threats. Would this have been possible without the great minds of civil engineers back then? From time immemorial, civil engineering has played a significant role in advancing a country's necessary infrastructure. The vast road, rail, and water transport network, as well as bridges, dams, and townships. Therefore, civil engineers will continue to drive our economy because any project, whether residential, industrial, or commercial, requires a civil engineer's expertise. In this video, we're going to engage you with a holistic overview of civil engineering. Welcome to College Suggests Know Your Course, Know Your Career. The fascinating aspect about a civil engineer is that your work can take you across the seas as you work on ancient structures in Greece, plan to design bridges in Berlin, build roadways in the Middle East, or work on other projects worldwide. A civil engineer's job is spread across the globe. So let's dive into the crux of the subject. It is the science and art of planning, designing, and constructing infrastructure for the country, right from highways, bridges and tunnels, schools, hospitals, airports, other buildings, sewage systems, water treatment facilities, and more. Let's now look at the exhaustive demand for civil engineers. According to a report published in the Economic Times, 95 billion square feet was the demand witnessed in the real estate and construction industry in 2020. However, the pertinent issue is that the sector lacks a sufficient workforce to cater to this massive demand. Based on the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors report, titled Real Estate and Construction Professionals in India by 2020, there exists a demand-supply gap ranging between 82% and 86% of skilled civil engineers, architects, and others. This implies that our country requires 4 million qualified civil engineers in the coming year. Knowing the excellent scope of a civil engineer, let's now start building our dream. To make your dream of becoming a civil engineer a reality, you have to understand the nitty-gritties of the eligibility criteria. Those who want to build their dream palace should have passed Class 10 and Class 12 or an equivalent examination from any recognized central or state board, with physics, chemistry, and mathematics as compulsory subjects. The BE or BTech program's admission process takes place through entrance exams such as JEE Main, JEE Advanced, MHCET, KCET, SRM-JEE, and other exams. However, if it's a post-graduation course that you're looking for, you must appear in the GATE score merit list. Though not a very glamorous role, civil engineers have risen to a glorious past by attuning themselves to resolving global challenges like sustainable infrastructure development, reducing pollution, and enabling clean water. There are a myriad of novel specializations available to civil engineers. Some of them are construction engineering, coastal and ocean engineering, geotechnical engineering, fire protection engineering, structural engineering, general engineering, bridge engineering, irrigation engineering, land development, materials engineering, transportation engineering, urban engineering, hydraulic engineering, water resources engineering, and environmental engineering. They have translated as engineers of the future, thinking about a much more integrated approach. It is no longer a brick and mortar profession. Civil engineering has eclipsed into areas where computing applications in civil engineering is a requisite to solve problems ranging from bioinformatics for flood control planning to the use of robots for construction and 3D printing of concrete structures. According to a Global Market Insights Inc. report, the civil engineering industry is expected to reach $11.72 trillion by 2025. One of the main reasons for this engineering discipline's burgeoning is the rise in population and urbanization. By completing a program from one of the best engineering institutes, students can work on sustainable infrastructure solutions, green buildings, and a whole lot more across the globe. Let's now look at some of the top institutes for civil engineering. Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay; Indian Institute of Technology, Madras; Manipal Institute of Technology; Delhi Technological University; Jadavpur University, Kolkata. SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. College of Engineering, Pune. Dayananda Sagar College of Engineering, Bangalore. RV College of Engineering, Bangalore. And the Vellore Institute of Technology. The fee structures of these top colleges may vary. The average course fee charged in India ranges between 1.5 lakh to 3.25 lakhs per annum, and the average salary of a fresher is 2.4 lakhs per annum, which means that you can earn back your salary in 4 years. Researchers and students at IIT Madras attempted a data collection exercise amidst the heavy rains and winds of Cyclone Nivar. They measured overflows at several critical places along the Adyar River to gather real-time data during the cyclone. Here are some of the skill sets that you will need to transform into an adept civil engineer. Leadership skills will help you lead your team toward the best designs and execute them flawlessly. Negotiating skills in civil engineering will help you make your construction economical. Attention to detail is a quality that civil engineers must have for the best infrastructural output. Good time management will help you complete your project on time and work towards its improvement. Problem solving enables civil engineers to solve mathematical problems in design. The ability to visualize will create the best creative construction possible. Good team players become the best civil engineers as they can understand not just bricks but also minds. Finally, a passion for learning will enrich your designs. Many of the prestigious projects in recent times, such as the Statue of Unity, Bullet Train, Gold Quadrangle Road project, are all landmarks in civil engineering that will surely attract geniuses. Now that you know the skills needed to obtain your objective, let's now look at a means to realizing it. A civil engineer manages and directs staff at the project site. He performs engineering duties, plan, design, and oversees the construction and maintenance of structures. An updated civil engineer researches and analyzes maps, blueprints, photos, charts, and other data to plan projects. He also gathers information to prepare and present reports on project topics. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics Occupational Outlook Handbook, the employment of civil engineers is projected as rapid no matter what the job. Approximately 20,500 civil engineer jobs will be added between 2018 and 2028, an increase of 6%. As per industry estimates, India's construction industry's substantial size is expected to be $1 trillion by 2030, while contributing to 13% of the country's GDP by 2025. However, on the flip side, to address gender inequality, Vanderbilt Park-based JamFAD civil engineers hired young women who recently graduated in construction or civil engineering, a move for empowering young women civil engineers in a mostly male-dominated sector. Here's a look at some of the top recruiters in this industry. Hindustan Construction Company, L&T, DLF, Tata Projects, Gammon India, Soba Developers Limited, Shapurji Pallonji and Company. It's not only private recruiters but also recruiters from the central and state governments. Coal India Limited or CIL, National Thermal Power Corporation Limited or NTPC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, National Aluminium Company Limited, Indian Oil Corporation, Steel Authority of India Limited, Indian Space Research Organization, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, and Vizag Steel Plant. Let's now look at the most anticipated aspect of this subject, the salary packages. A fresher with less than a year of experience can expect to earn an average of 2,43,640 rupees per annum. An early career professional with 1 to 4 years of experience can earn a compensation of 2,92,609 rupees per annum. A mid-career civil engineer with 5 to 9 years of experience can earn 4,66,787 rupees per annum. An experienced civil engineer with 10 to 19 years of experience earns an average salary of 6,24,681 rupees per annum. If a civil engineer has worked for 20 years or higher, one can earn an average of 8,85,841 rupees per annum. 40 years ago, no one could fathom traveling between Bandra and Worli in less than 40 to 50 minutes. But today, the distance can be covered in just 8 minutes. This miracle is because of the construction of the Bandra-Worli Sea Link by skilled civil engineers. Concurrently, if we reflect on the critical and established code of practice and ethics that the civil engineering community is proudly and rightly based upon, we realize a colossal opportunity ready to be seized. Engineers can take the lead into transforming our world, this time as pioneers and trusted guides into a safe and resilient future. They can bring their problem-solving skills and technical expertise into policy making so that our infrastructure is developed with due regard for the environment and with equality, health, and the well-being of future generations in mind. In the words of our beloved former president, APJ Abdul Kalam, let's dream, but before that, let's know about our dream and work tirelessly to make it real. What is the course that you want to pursue next? Tell us. We will provide all the information that you need to make the right decision. If you agree with our analysis, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information, visit collegesuggest.com.